My name is Pim Valkenberg, and I want to say something as introduction to the article that I contributed to the Toronto Journal of Theology. The title of my article is Comparative Theology as Pilgrimage, and it talks about the idea central in Christianity and Islam that our life is seen as a journey towards God, as a pilgrimage, rather than as a goal in itself. So according to the two religious traditions, Christianity and Islam, that I'm most involved with, this idea of pilgrimage is a central notion that determines that when we talk about home, the central home that we are talking about is our home with God, our final end and destination. So that is the basic idea that determines my short article, and I try to elaborate that on three different levels. The first level is the level of epistemology. I'm sorry, I'm not a native speaker, so you can tell every now and then. Epistemology meaning, how do we know? Where does our knowledge come from? The second level is ontology, that is related to who we are as human beings in a world created by God, as Christians and Muslims believe. And the third and final level is the level of the existential situation, where we are in our own lives with our own experiences. So I talk a bit about these three levels, and I think that when you see home not so much as a religious tradition, but as this ultimate end to which we all journey, this helps us to see both comparative theology and theology without walls as kind of agents leading us to better conversations and to more discussions with Christians, Muslims, and people of other religious traditions. I hope that you like the article. Pim Valkenberg. Bye-bye.